time is now to go electric. KALMAR's electrically powered forklifts will help improve the eco-efficiency of your operations, while maintaining the highest levels of productivity and safety. The KALMAR Heavy Electric Forklift is ideal for lifting loads from 18 to 33 tons and comes with a broad range of masts and lifting equipment, designed for the metal, automotive, concrete, forestry, energy and container handling sectors. You get a choice of modular battery options with charging capacities of 163, 245 or 392 kilowatt hours. Which is right for your business is dependent on your work cycles. You also have the choice of several charging options, which use the charging standard CCS2. Powered by an electric driveline, your drivers will experience a big difference with faster and smoother acceleration and more responsive handling. They will also benefit from reduced noise and vibrations in the cabin, as all of our electric forklifts are quieter and provide a more even ride. Less time will be spent servicing and maintaining your electrically powered forklift, improving availability and uptime, as it has less moving and mechanical parts. Plus, you will be able to keep your electric forklift running optimally within a broader range of temperatures with KALMAR's thermal management system fitted as standard. The KALMAR Electric Heavy Forklift is fitted with numerous safety features to keep your drivers safe at all times. The KALMAR Heavy Electric Forklift is good for your business, good for your drivers, and produces zero carbon emissions.
The time is now to go electric. So what are you waiting for?